In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete all messages from any Discord DM or channel at once. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to this pin link. The link will be provided in the description. Now scroll down and choose your browser. I'm going to choose Chrome. Then click Tamper Monkey and add extension to your browser. Then go to your browser's extension page, select Manage Extensions and enable Developer Mode. Likewise for the Discord, you will need to launch your Discord in the web version. Then click on the settings icon, go to Advanced option, enable for the option Developer Mode. Now head back to the link page, scroll down, click on the option Install the script, confirm it. Once you do that, you can head back to the Discord, refresh the page, open the DM or channel where you want to delete all messages, click the new trash icon and choose Me to remove only your own messages. If the chat is NSFW, turn on NSFW setting before proceeding. Click delete, confirm with OK and the bot will begin removing all messages automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.